All right, guys. Taking you on walking through this commercial job. Basically, I had to pull 3 home runs out of this panel, and this is the one where I got surprised by looking at this, thinking that there is actually access to the attic, but there's actually nothing there. It's actually a roof. So I had to remove this paneling that was installed by, I guess, previous electricians, because they have some wires there, and basically fish with the fish sticks all the way to this access hole. And this access hole only had probably 14 inches between the roof and the ceiling. So I had to basically kind of, doing this push up between the joists and like crawl over. It was a nightmare. Then this right here, let me show you. This is a bathroom. It has access. So this is the crawl space. Crawl space is just right here. It's about 20 inches, but down there there are some spots only like 8 inches. I was getting stuck in there. Well, anyway, we had to add an outlet here and a Cat 6 that was under in a crawl space. Added outlet there. We're gonna have to add another one here. We're gonna have to bring a saw, the diamond blade. We added the outlet there. These are small offices. It's just basically 2 outlets per little office cubicle, and a Cat 6. That's what it looks like. Cat 6 outlet. This is all MC. Had to add an outlet here. Cat 6 for the printer. Then this is gonna be a Wi-Fi router. 2 drops there. Cat 6 here. And basically this is a little, I guess, office, whatever. We just installed 6 cans and a ceiling fan box up there. Remove the ceiling fan from the ceiling and put a blank cover. They're gonna have to paint it over because it's white. So it has a single pole switch for your fan and a 3-way for your recess cans. Then they're gonna have a camera here for the front door. So we ran a drop and Cat 6 drop for the secretary desk. So it took us probably like 14 hours total, me and the helper. It was just I thought we'll be able to knock it out in one day, but man, sometimes it takes a long time. Well, not a long time. It only takes maybe an hour more to do a better estimate. Basically going through access panels and see how bad it's gonna get. This is my customer that I do business for, and basically I didn't expect to be attic that is only 10-14 inches height, that I had to, and there's no floor there. Basically it's just joists there. I think they're like 20 inches apart, and I had to like try not to fall through the ceiling. And same thing, the crawl space. It wasn't pleasant. And for all my Cat 6s, I went underneath the floor, stapled it, and this is the access panel for the water valve. So I went on the side, drilled the hole, inch and quarter right here. And this is all my Cat 6 drops. I'm gonna run a conduit on a wall up here, and they're gonna have a shelf. Also, I'm gonna have to add an outlet. I'll just probably top it up, come off this outlet, existing one, so they have power for their switch. Yeah, it was pretty rough 2 days.